refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication, na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering, nkwigeli bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering, na wigo water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics, nkwigeli bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security, na wigo na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering, nkwigeli bale electrical installation, na wigo electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology, nkwigeli bale hairdressing, wigo mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism, nkwigeli bale food production yani cookery, na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 was a form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga se Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri ngo mwana ndo bwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inta abana baito January intake ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kose obakirisi ni gutras kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Waire uyana ndo mwancho muligire Getembe TV karibu sana ase Ekeonga nonye chavutokire chitageka isato ase Chinsa Ikomi chabona muragoba karibu tunyara ko yasanga ase njira y'obwenge kigima kurwa Matildah Obaigwa veni nyabuke kurwa ase omuno webimanyiririo na negero togochaka ababuraka naboigo abatakano abo bakurwa ase bunge ya Kitutu Central bakurwa ase wadi ya Kitutu Central ekaunti ya Kisii nigo bono bali no mochengo ayaiga nigagocha magega yokonyora ogosiro kurwa ase serikali ye kaunti ya Kisii wetera ase omuroberio omanyekanete buna afloka bagosanga nigitaseni keiga omugasorero nigo bono banyarire korokia omugoko bo buna mbache kwegendereria gose kugendereria magima abo kubwa mono wetera ase ensemo y'oboremi magega yokoegwa chimashine naboigo nebinto birabakonye ase oboremi buna bono okorema chinsiaga naboigo nebinto binde ebingi.
Jesa Marieta Angolo Margaret Gesara Maya, Livestock Officer Kitutu Chache South. Watu wachirega iga ase Keombeke kia Nyamukia Widows and Widowers. Bari batare ngo igoro barore bintu gaba nabaete erinde bachigokora oboremi bwa chindagera chechiombe mbaire molasses iga bagochigutumia ase ogoconserve nepia ya itekara yabaire nyingi erinde batware ntokoroka silage bachiombe ngaki omorakera gotogoshukuru county government yakonyire Keombeke kia babora kana ba ikora erinde banyore gasi raisi yogobutora chinsiaga chabe machine yokobutora nero neyokorosi hei bela nera neyokobutora hei ase omogondo machine nero tokoroke fresh kata igon ninkagerete ngamuna tokonya kubwatera na kogenda ndoje tokonyane ncharate chande tugo yaito teka babuya
Amarieta Angolo kwa simora oyugi korwe Keombeke kia Nyamukia ababoraka nabaikora nabatakanu yaro atore no mogoko tore na bagani baitaiga bachire gotorera buna na kitogendererete eri banyore gotobeka omogina gotwara kinjera tokomenya buna baboroka oyo minto sungura no ara mose gati yaito okoboria abangina baita aba bagwa Nyamukia nabagaka baikora onyara ka batoko mobwatesia una torusiria asa torusiro ikabana iga toramonere eri nera nyara ka bagakonyora egiakori ase gati yaito abogotogendereri botambe okoboria abangina baita bagwa Nyamukia batogocha iga tobe nebirengereria imo omogoko nase chinkoro chiaito na mono totwara obwanchani ebire biaito bitokonyora iga tonyara ka batoko bitumeka koreng'ana muna toratebiwu nabateneni baito
ntore no omogoko omonene ase okoegwa ebinto bia oboremi muna ntwe abaremi tochake kwegendereri tokore egasi yaito ase Keombeke kiaito kia ababuraka naende togotebe Keombeke giaito kegendere motu ase eng'encho omogambi oito gavana natokonyete chimashini ngaki climate change yachenchiri twanyora ntobwate endagera isaine tokonyara gokonya abaremi bande bari babwate chiombe naende twabanyene ntobwate chiombe twegendere noboremi obwo echiombe ase chingaki muna bono iga climate change ekere yachenchiri na Ekeombeke giaito kia Nyamukia toiraneria abagambi baito bonsi pi na nekwendeke nabaiga babwateranete bonsi foka efloka eye iga yatobwate seti na county government ase ogotoa ebinto ebiga bionsi naende twatebe ng'a mbuya mono karibu naende mweigu ng'a nao toramonaine naende motokonye muna ntwe ababuraka
Yokwendera kurigiriria ase birengo bio oreni byanyari gwika ase kaunti ya Kisii omokonyi bwo monene bwa banyanyimbo Eliud Lagat nigori tukoria rero anyara gutarira ekaunti ya Kisii kagukwana kurwa ase gitaseni kia banyanyimbo ya Kisii Central nigo bono anyara kwera buna nigo oborendi wanyare gutingiwa ase chinsemo ase ekaunti yiga kubwa mono kagukwana buna chinsemo chiri chapara nabwo ikira kuboria abagendia banyare kwenekia na banyarire korenda magima y'abantu kerobare ase chipara asa mutukaega nabwo yonekera aborire buna bari bagutumika ebinyugwa byogotindia ane muno abasae nabarabo eserikali nerigetie enchira yogokiania gose gukora mochando yo korwa ase chinsinyo chonsi
is to note that the security arrangements for the festive season in Kisii County and generally the whole country is good. So I've witnessed the traffic management, the entire country is in good shape. We want to thank the officers that we a little bit did an extra effort and we did it differently. And that is why we've had free flow of vehicles. So I really want that these 2025 Christmas holidays to be peaceful, to be enjoyable, and to have a meaningful society in terms of security arrangements. So I'm asking that the members of the public to continue to support us, maintain peace and order. We want those who are traveling using vehicles and motorcycles and pedestrians to observe traffic rules so that all of us can arrive to our destination safely. Issues of drugs, the issues of illicit alcohol and brews at this festive season should be dealt with by the law enforcers. We want to have a society that is free of this. You see, one of the ingredients of crime is alcohol and drugs. Once we manage these alcohol and drugs, the crimes that are associated to it will definitely go down. And the coexistence of people, the ecosystem, the entire security and the life ecosystem of people will be good. So I'll be seeing other officers within Chinsa, and my emphasis is people to be peaceful this Christmas season and even the year 2026. We were there yesterday with the CS Interior, and there is good progress. People have started going back to their farms and their homes. The security is now taking shape. Those criminals, we continue to look for them, those who are perpetrators of that crime. We are looking for them, and we will continue to put pressure until the security is attained. You heard from the CS himself, he gave a 7 days amnesty for those people with illegal firearms to surrender them and enjoy the amnesty.
Moncho muriria gukwanira obomo bomogusi nigo bona egati ya barai kro ase county ya Nyamira egati abo mujumbe omukoro West Mugirango musike Vincent Ekemosi omujumbe omukoro wechinse mochiricha burabu musike mumanyi negati ya barai bande bono banyare gusingira buna nerebuya abarai kro asorogongoro bagusi gochamo na gukwana neriogerimo nechinga kiechecho ono bakindire gotabona nerebuya komosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i seganga yaye yokuriga kirogo ky'oburai bwensi
ekero mukwana obo mubumu gusi tagukwana obo mubumu gusi your excellencies mwatigero mwatebo obo mubumu gusi tutagete kubeka omuntu oro mukwaneri obo mubumu gusi Fred Okengo Matiang'i igona limo gukora ngobo mubwakoraki bwabororo okamambu ya your excellency arati okama nobuya sana ng'ombe irimo kama gendera gukama lakini okama kuri efeva abana inchi abana bagwaka ne bango irindegere tukameta ibo igo ng'ombe irimo kama bono ya isire kohosia ng'ombe ya itere ritororo yukoriro karitororo bono ndiritororo ryoka ndibwate mbego kubeka riremori mutago tiago kamari asemogo kama moite toe ritororo yaito chiziaga ibeke mori tukamebuya igo aba ndubuna bagusi ainto odwara basikani allo mati amatebiga mwao eliego tua einero mwao ona kominyoje nyomba yabande ya magina yego ikamogoroba waseri gwa tigato bere mindo gaiga totebega 2027 naitwa kali ya kagaito togasugume nakarokabe president ya Kenya hapa abantu bambito obo mubumo gusi Ntegasiane ngokora ya chwakari nengete libaga ngotarande Kenya ngima asenko igurere bimonyo egenta abantu baito bagokwana no mwana ito Fred Okengo Matiani.
Moncho murigire na gukorera ase wizara iri yechisemi aboibori nigo bono bagenderete kuburirwa nabo bakonyara gukora moncho rero ase chisukuru chiri abana babo bari bakora amatemo y'grade ya kiana bono banyara gochora mwaziri wechisemi Moske Migos Ogamba nigo bono anyare gotabuna chinga kinchiraera neribuya aboibori bari babeire gose banyarete ko bakwemurungane ko bwatekana ne chisukuru abana babo babekire ne serikali bono nigo bwate chinga ki chokora moncho rero yo amatuko 5 onabere ataraera na boigo nigatebire kuchabore kwene kibuna borokyo bonsi banyore chisukuru bagosoa ase grade keri Ikomi.
As you may be aware, the placement of learners is ongoing. Na hapa niwaelezee parents kwamba wale watoto ambao wanaenda grade 10 ambao walichagua ama walipewa shule ambao labda hawazipendi, kuanzia leo for the next 7 days muko na opportunity ya kurudi kwa shule na ku-apply again katika ile shule ambao mtoto anataka kuenda. So the revision is ongoing now. Kwa sababu hii ni mfumo mpya, kulikuwa na challenges hapa na pale, lakini timu zetu wako kwa maofisi saa hii wakiendelea kurekebisha. So kama yuko mwanafunzi ambaye alipata shule ambayo anaona kama sio mzuri kwake, ako na opportunity again for the next 7 days kurudi pale na kurekebishiwa shule ambayo anataka kuenda. Tuko na nafasi ya kutosha katika mashule zetu. So parents msiwe na wasiwasi, kama yuko mwanafunzi ambaye anataka kubadilisha saa hii, you are free.
Moncho murigire soroboti orunigo no tokorera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba mbia mono sana ikiagira ogenderete kuba umuigenwa ime ya Getembe Television nandi wika ase ebrovinde nigongo kuganira onyare gutware maragoba vingi kuba mono litukori angi onyare guchengira esuguku ere ya masisenia na boigo bonsi bali babwate gosonya ko bwate abakonyara gusanga nabamene ngoro ko Matildah Obaigwa vene nyaboke kurwa ase bimanyarerio na boigo Mike Wills chibicha nerio.
Esa marieta ankoro kwa Benista Marongo Bobe ninje principal ya Karoka Technical college gotoka Nyaribari Masaba eso mwesimiwa Hak Daniel Mandu wa Kongosa tigangire libageri so wakira baibori baitombi yamone soko nyara gotoa bana na gutwara ukwegena amangana activate we are very friendly yes amangana fees payment egekogera serikali ngo bakonyera abana gwetera chinjira hawa wao entangani neri ya constituent development fund that is CDF esoko gendeza constituency yao twakurikira rirube wanya kubwato bulemeru banyara gwaka na part of your fees eli yakabere eli punko era abana baito chiron ekogerene government institution nkoye gubale first priority baye guchiron bagosomera eli yakatato kare kupsia tumira marieta uchi serikali nko ba scholarships and capitation abana bagonyara gosomera igo listen teyo abana baito babwenete kobera ngamune fees ya buli tubwate various courses ndubwate agriculture ndubwate electrical and electronics ndubwate automotive that's mechanical engineering yebwate sections ndubwate building koro diploma artisan tubwate ne chinyinge chirijiko ba Harvard in any institution igo bono nale wa appeal abaiboli baleta abana banyare ko babago trainingwa egeko garanto bwato bumanyi gusomia abana baitu kubariga ni munyare kutoretera abana in our January intake because negenderete umwana igutakorete document cha mapema obukiribaga in advance tap kwanyaliri jinga kichwa mwali kwanyoranga lere serikali yako na neji portal, so it's good moja for admissions ya January mapema.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Matildah Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakano bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye go bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gotumia ko menye school uburendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye go bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries echio applications chirororo n'ababunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wikawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetara chilamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068